Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, and today I'm bringing you one of the most exciting reviews of 2026. The brand new Nokia Lumia 205G, a smartphone that proves Nokia is officially back in the game with power, beauty, and unbelievable camera performance. This device is one of the boldest moves from Nokia in years, and the moment you pick it up, you can feel that this phone was built to compete not just with mid-range rivals, but even with premium flagships of the year. The first thing that truly captures attention is the design. Nokia has crafted the Lumia 205G with a fresh modern identity. Smooth curved edges, a premium matte glass finish, and a lightweight aluminum frame that makes the phone feel extremely comfortable to hold. It looks classy, clean, and high-end, the type of phone that grabs attention instantly. The front features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and deep color contrast that makes everything look richer, sharper, and more vibrant. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or browsing social media, this display feels ultra-smooth and alive. Nokia has clearly stepped up its display game for 2026. But the star of the Lumia 205G, the real reason this phone is making headlines, is its monster camera setup. Nokia has introduced a massive -108 megapixels quad camera system that delivers breathtaking clarity and insane dynamic range. The main sensor captures every tiny detail, even in low light, and the AI-powered night mode produces bright, noise-free photos that easily rival top flagship models. The secondary sensors include an ultra-wide lens with distortion correction, a telephoto shooter with crystal-clear zoom, and a dedicated macro lens for super-close shots. If you love photography, you will be blown away by how natural the colors look and how DSLR-like the depth effect appears. The portrait mode is incredibly accurate, thanks to Nokia's advanced AI segmentation. Video recording supports up to 8K stabilization, giving creators a powerful tool for cinematic content. On the performance side, the Lumia 205G is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 series chip, delivering blazing fast speed for gaming, multitasking, editing, and high-performance apps. Paired with 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS storage, this phone handles heavy workloads effortlessly. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly, and there are zero lags, even when switching between multiple tasks. The built-in vapor chamber cooling is another welcome upgrade, keeping temperatures low during long gaming sessions. Battery life has always been one of Nokia's strengths, and the Lumia 205G continues that legacy. It packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day with heavy use and up to 2 days with moderate use. The 90W fast charging boosts the phone from 0% to 70% in just 25 minutes, and there's also 45W wireless charging support. Nokia has added improved battery optimization in its software, ensuring you get more screen time without losing performance. The software experience on the Lumia 205G is clean, smooth, and refreshingly simple. Running on the latest Android 16 with Nokia's lightweight UI, everything feels fluid and free from unnecessary bloatware. The phone also promises 4 major OS updates and 5 years of security patches, a commitment that places it ahead of many competitors. Audio is another highlight. Dual stereo speakers with spatial sound support give you a rich, immersive audio experience whether you're gaming or watching movies. The 5G connectivity is lightning fast, and Wi-Fi 7 support ensures future-proof wireless performance. Overall, the Nokia Lumia 205G is a stunning comeback device that combines powerful hardware, futuristic camera technology, premium design, and impressive battery life. It's perfect for creators, gamers, and everyday users who want a stylish phone with serious performance. This smartphone shows that Nokia is not just returning, it is redefining its identity in 2026. If you've been waiting for a Nokia phone that truly competes with the modern flagship world, the Lumia 205G is the one you should definitely check out.